Welcome to Tag to Tech. Xiaomi recently launched its top flagship phone, but even before the official first sale, the new Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition was already sold out. Although it seems not all of these buyers are photography enthusiasts, as the device is being resold in China. While the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is a part of the Chinese tech giant's latest flagship series, the Leica Edition stands out with premium imaging features and unique design touches. To recall, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition was released with a starting price tag of 7,999 yuan, roughly $1,120 for the 16GB plus 512GB configuration. The first sales of this model kicked off on 27 December 2025, but pre-orders went live immediately after the December 25th launch. But even before the device was shipped to the early buyers, resellers had already listed the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition on second-hand selling platform. So people have pre-ordered this model and plan to resell it immediately after the company starts shipping this flagship phone. Looking at some of these listings, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Leica Edition is being resold for a premium. The top 16GB plus 1TB variant costs 8,999 yuan, but the resellers are listing it for 9,999 yuan and over 10,000 yuan as well. To recall, the Leica edition of the 17 Ultra is built for photography enthusiasts with a classic camera design and manual control. Leica's iconic red dot branding is on the rear and comes in a distinctive two-tone finish that is inspired by Leica's M-series cameras. This special edition even brings an exclusive Leica Moment mode with M9 style color rendering, M3 plus monopan 50 black and white film simulations, and a classic 3:2 full frame aspect ratio.